Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change a name on Spotify. First, make sure you're logged into Spotify. I'm currently logged in, and if I hover over my profile icon right here, you can see my name, Answer ASAP, right? So I'll just go ahead and tap on this right here. And then what I need you to do, the second option is what we're interested in. That says profile. Just go ahead and click on profile right here. Okay, so I'll tap on that, and then we will be redirected to this page. Okay, all you need to do is come here and click on these three dots. We want more options for Answer ASAP, which is our profile. Click on Edit Profile. And now right here is where you can change your name. So I'll change it to Answer ASAP 1, and then I'll click on Save. There we go. My name has been changed. If I hover over here as well, Answer ASAP 1. Really that easy and simple.